Hair thinning is not just about age and genetics. Taking the right vitamins can make a real difference to growth and strength. So here are the top nutrients backed by science. Assalamu alaikum, my name is Dr. Azad. I'm a medical doctor and a pharmacist based here in the UK. Number one, my all-time favourite is biotin, also known as vitamin B7. A 2016 review found that people with hair loss due to biotin deficiency showed visible regrowth after supplementation. Biotin helps the body produce keratin, which is a key protein in hair. Second, vitamin D. In the Skin Pharmacology and Physiology journal, linked low vitamin D levels with alopecia. Restoring levels can support healthy follicle cycles. Third, iron. A 2006 paper reported that iron deficiency, even without anemia, is associated with hair shedding. Iron helps deliver oxygen to the hair roots, which is essential for growth. Number four, you have zinc. Now, research in dermatology in 2013 showed that zinc supplementation improved hair density in patients with telogen effluvium, a stress-related shedding condition. So number five, vitamin E. A 2010 study found that participants taking vitamin E supplements had a 34% increase in hair count over an 8-month period, which is most likely due to its antioxidant role. If you do suspect deficiency, this is what you should do. Number one, ask your doctor for a blood test. I always recommend this before taking any supplement. I also remember having a balanced diet rich in these vitamins that I've mentioned is always the safest long-term approach. With the right nutrients, you give your hair the best possible chance to grow stronger, thicker, and healthier, inshallah. Thanks for watching. Look after yourself, look after your family, and inshallah, I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.